Well, this is my second plant sale that I've been to. I'm very happy to be here. I've bought a lot of plants here before, and today I was very happy to find an elephant ear. I've been wanting an elephant ear for my collection for a long time, and I found a lot of pothos as well, so I'm really happy about that.
We're not only growing like house plants, floral or ornamentals, you could also call them as well. We're also growing vegetables such as peppers, tomatoes, herbs as well, things like that. But the plant sale is not just specifically just for people to come and buy plants. It's also for us to be able to educate them, which is what we did as a class. Everybody set up for whatever they were designed to, either vegetables, ornamentals, whatever. Everybody set up their own plant to actually educate the people as well when they come here on exactly what the plants can be planted next to, what could kill them, what can make them thrive, stuff like that.
I think everyone should come and attend the plant sale, even if you're not a plant person or you think that you're not good with keeping up plants. They have all different types of plants, even plants that are pet friendly. And I think that everybody should have one, especially when they're at such great affordable prices.
The class is great. You know, when I first got here, I didn't really know much about gardening at all. You know, I thought you could just throw seed in soil and boom, it grows, you know, but I learned a lot from my class. And I think what helped me learn a lot more within the class is that everybody's pretty educated on this stuff. So, and they've also had previous classes with our professor as well. And he's a great teacher as well. He takes a lot of pride in what he does in the greenhouse. And I think that strives all of us to actually want to try our best as well.